Hey guys, it's your girl Cheryl here in the Muse Mob with the Muse Mob. Happy 2019. Happy new beginnings. Today, speaking of new beginnings, we're going to show you an oldie but new twist Muse lip color. Yes, it's a Muse Metallic Lip color. My favorite. Last night's party. One of my favorites. Last night's party. Let's check it out and see if it becomes your favorite too. Okay, so because I am blind as a bat, I don't have on my glasses nor my contacts because I need to go get a new script. I am going to use my handy dandy up close mirror to apply this lip color, but let's open it. Now, this actually came in a nice cool little box, which I put it somewhere, but I'll throw a picture of it up. But here we go. Let's just first take a little smell. Now, the smell, when you first smell it, you would think that it would smell fruity, or maybe, I don't know. It looks like it would smell fruity, but it actually isn't a fruity smell at all. It's a very minty smell, like menthol. It's very soothing actually, okay? But it doesn't have a nasty smell. It doesn't have like a toxic, plasticky, paraben smell. So that's a cool thing. Let's just do a little swatch, see how it looks, how it goes on. Wow, the consistency is really nice. Can you see that okay? Can you see that? The consistency is really, really nice. I like that. So let's keep it moving. Let's try this on. So let's get that mirror. I'm gonna take the angle tip and I'm just gonna, let's move this hair out the way. My hair mixed with Muse Virgin Remy hair. Anyway, so I'm going to mark the spot, and I just follow along and smooth it out. So what I did is I just drew in a little X. Let's reapply some more color. Let's get it in. Get my mirror. That's the camera. One of my pet peeves is when I see spots on people's lip color, patchy and missing. Oh, that noise in the background is my phone. I'm on vibrate. I'm sure it's not important. Next video, I'm gonna put it on Do Not Disturb. I hate when they interrupt our time together. I have a little big lips. Let's keep adding. Let's build it up. Okay. That's a nice little decent amount. Ooh, almost dropped my mirror. But I'm gonna add another layer That's just a little quick, little decent amount. I'm gonna add another layer and see where it takes me. Be right back.